Free radio streaming setup for your internet DJ radio station, free DJ broadcasting software, free streamer app and free radio streaming hosting. Everything you need to get your streaming DJ radio station on the air. That's right, today we'll be setting up completely free DJ radio streaming using 2 great hosting sites, as well as be using free DJ radio automation software, as well as a free radio streamer app. The radio DJ mixing automation software program we'll be using is Mixxx, which is a free open source DJ mixing program. It's 100% free to use, and we also have a completely free radio streamer app. If you have another streamer app running, you can use this as an additional app to stream to another site at the same time, whether free or paid for sites, and even a site that will pay you for streaming. So not only can you stream for free, but you can actually make money from it. That all coming up. Firstly, install the Mixxx DJ program. There are 2 places you can download it for free. The links are in the description. Download the program from one of these sites and run a standard installation. There is no database to install, and the setup is pretty straightforward. Just go through the basic steps, selecting your drive to use and so on. Nothing too hectic, just a basic setup. Once you have installed it, open the program up. You will get a few pop-ups that tell you to set up your audio first. Set the audio format to what works on your system. You will also get this pop-up for your audio outputs. You can set up your headphone outputs, etc., but for now we'll just set the main audio output channel. This pop-up is optional, choose what you like. With the program open, you can find your music files to play, which you can drag and drop into the players. This app is very cool because you can do almost everything a professional DJ would do on a physical mixer in this app. You can synchronize the tracks easily, then using these buttons, line up the 2 tracks, and you can beat mix across the 2 songs. The free streaming app we will be using is called But. This streamer only plays 1 stream at a time, but you can run an additional streamer like Icecast at the same time. That way you can stream to 2 sites at the same time. You will probably get this pop-up. I found this to be safe enough to use, but you should do your own due diligence and decide for yourself if it's safe. Again, just go through the basic installation, nothing too hectic, just a standard setup. For the free streaming services, there are 2 sites you can sign up for free. They both have their pros and cons, but they are both great free streaming sites. The first site is Caster FM and the second one is Listen2MyRadio.com. Caster FM is amazing in that you can see all your listener stats, including where in the world people are listening, but it is limited to 100 simultaneous listeners and a lower bitrate. These are actually fine because in the beginning you are very unlikely to have more than 100 simultaneous listeners, and the bitrate is more than enough if you're using OGG or AAC. Listen2MyRadio.com is slightly different in that your listener limit is 1,000 simultaneous listeners and your quality has no limit, so you can broadcast as high a bitrate of audio as you like, depending on your internet speed, of course. The downside to Listen2MyRadio.com is that you can't see your listener stats. If you pay $5 a month, you can add this to your account and then you'll be able to see your listener stats. You will need to choose which one if you only use But, because you can only stream to 1 at a time. First, set up your Caster FM account and then your Listen2MyRadio.com account. Both have a lot of info you need to insert, so before you do any signing up, pull out your notepad or Word document and type these 4 things. First, your radio station name, then your basic short description of your radio station, then a longer description of your radio station. Also, create an additional paragraph for extra info about your radio station, including social media links and so on. This should be your actual information for Caster FM, as they tend to cancel hosting if it's not legit, but Listen2MyRadio.com doesn't seem to check. Also have a picture ready, that is a small logo image or photo that you can use as your radio station image. For Caster FM, start by clicking this register button. Fill in your basic information with a password you will remember or write it down somewhere safe, and use an email address that you can access because they will send you an email to validate your account. When you receive the email, click the link to validate and then log in with your email and password. On this initial page, simply put in your station name and select answers from the drop-down box for country, language, time zone, and channel genre. Click the Create Channel button, then on this page copy and paste in your radio station name 3 times. Then select time zone again. Then here is where you will paste in your main paragraph of information. You can see the minimum and maximum text required here. Then insert your picture. Under this tab, paste in the information that will show up on your home page. You can also add some social media and contact information here. Then click Submit. Go back to your dashboard. Now you can see your server is still offline, so click here to turn it on. You should get this pop-up if all the content is filled in correctly. Then you can see here that your streaming server is online. You can leave this like this for now, we'll come back to this again. For Listen2MyRadio.com, start by applying here with this window. Only use letters and numbers for the password for Listen2MyRadio.com. You won't be able to insert symbols like these. Then click here and wait for the email to arrive. It can sometimes take a while, but if you don't receive it, check your spam folder, and if not, then just resend it. Eventually, you will get an email with a link to click, then log into your account. Then make sure you go to each of these and insert the information from your Word document. Insert your station name and copy and paste all the other information here. Then use your station name for the domain link as well, but only use lowercase letters for this. Click Next, and then on this page choose whether you want to stream on Icecast or Shoutcast. Then choose a server country and create a password for your stream. Now on your dashboard you can see 3 tasks you need to complete. Click on each one of these and complete these tasks. Go through each one and copy and paste all your text and so on. If you click here to start your server and you see this, you can do a few more, but often all you need to do is wait a short while. What does seem to help is to change the server location, which you can do here. Then click Start Server. This will change from status off to status on with this little green indicator. You can also see this notice. Now go back to your Butt app and click here on Settings to set up your stream. Click Add Stream, then copy and paste from your Caster.fm account. Make sure you choose the right server type, copy the server host name and paste it in here. Copy the server port and paste it in here. Your username is source, so paste that in here. Then copy your broadcast password and paste it in here. If you are using Icecast, then you will need this mount point too. Shoutcast does not need this. Be sure to name your stream and click Add. Set up your audio settings by clicking here. For Caster FM, it can only be 96 kilobits per second. You can test the stream by clicking here. If you see that it failed, then go back to your dashboard and check that your server is on. If not, then click here to start the server. You should see this pop up and your server should show online. Now, if you start your stream again, you should see it connect and show this timer. Let's now set up a stream for Listen2MyRadio.com if you prefer this one. Choose the right server type. Copy this IP address and paste it in here for the server address. Copy the server port and paste it in here. For Listen2MyRadio.com, be sure not to mix up your admin password with your streaming password. Copy your streaming password and paste it in here. Remember to name your stream and click Add. Set your audio settings here, and for Listen2MyRadio.com, you can set it to whatever you like. Now let's run the streamer with Listen2MyRadio.com. When you click the play button, it should connect almost immediately and you should see this timer. If you don't see this happening, then make sure your streaming host is turned on. The Butt app will automatically reconnect when the signal comes back if you lose connection. Now to listen to your Listen2MyRadio.com station, use this link, and to listen to your Caster FM radio station, click this link. You can embed this information into your website or simply share the link on social media for your listeners to tune in.
Live the grind, I could change in my mind. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy, about to unpack all these.
You are now up and running, but you can also make money by sending additional streams to places that place adverts on your streams. To learn more about that, click on my video about making money online with radio streaming, or check the description for a link to that video. Otherwise, you can learn more about radio broadcasting and radio broadcast software from these other videos. See you in the next one.